Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Booking.com Genius discount. So let's get straight into the video. In order to use the Booking.com Genius discount, sign in into your account and look for properties with the blue Genius logo, which indicates the 10 to 20% off and perks like free breakfast. Discounts are automatically applied to eligible stays and rental cars without needing codes. Ensure that you are logged in as a booking made and ensure that you are logged in as bookings made while signed up do not count toward higher tiers. So, in the level 1, you can sign up to receive 10% off on selected properties. In level 2, complete 5 stays in 2 years to get 15% off and free breakfast. And in level 3, complete 15 stays in 2 years to unlock 20% off, free breakfast, and free room upgrades. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.